मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत विश्व शर्मा ने कांग्रेस सांसद गौरव गोगोई को लेकर कई नए खुलासे किए। दिसपुर में पत्रकारों को संबोधित करते हुए मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत विश्व शर्मा ने कहा कि गौरव गोगोई 15 दिन के लिए पाकिस्तान गए थे और इस दौरान उनकी पत्नी उनके साथ थी, लेकिन 7 दिन बाद उनकी पत्नी वापस लौट आई, लेकिन गौरव गोगोई अगले 7 दिन वहीं पर थे।
In his personal capacity spent 15 days in Islamabad. Initial 7 days his wife was there, but then his wife came back to India. He continued to stay there. So we have exact evidences. While you come, there is a registration in Atari. So we are in possession of all these things. So it is no longer a discussion. Now we are trying to ascertain that his wife was in India. So what he did in Pakistan, so that we have to ask him. We have to serve notice to him.
उन्होंने आगे कहा कि पाकिस्तान से लौटने के बाद गौरव गोगोई ने 90 युवाओं को दिल्ली स्थित पाकिस्तान एम्बेसी लेकर गए थे। अधिकांश युवाओं से जब पूछताछ की गई तो उन लोगों ने कहा कि उन्हें पता नहीं था कि उन्हें पाकिस्तान एम्बेसी ले जाया जा रहा है। वहीं इस दौरान गौरव गोगोई ने संसद में ऐसे कई सवाल पूछे जो परोक्ष रूप से पाकिस्तानी सेना की मदद करती है।
In his return, he took 90 boys and girls to the Pakistan embassy. Now, out of that, many has given statement that we were not told that we were going to Pakistan embassy. Subsequent to that, there are many questions which indirectly help Pakistan army. Now, you have to see that in context. His visits, he may have been taken to army headquarters also in Pakistan, but that he has to deny. That no, this is my hotel tickets. I have gone to Lahore, I have gone to Sindh, I have gone to see Indus Valley, whatever. So he has to explain that where he spent that 13-14 days. So we have to talk to him. And we are going to definitely talk to him once the copy of passport etc. come in.
मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि गौरव गोगोई के मामले में जांच एजेंसी सबूतों को इकट्ठा कर रही है, इसमें समय लगेगा, इसलिए पूरे मामले का खुलासा वे 10 सितंबर को करेंगे। साथ ही मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत विश्व शर्मा ने कहा कि गौरव गोगोई ने इजरायली एम्बेसी में शिकायत दर्ज की थी कि उनका पासपोर्ट गुम हो गया है, जिसके कारण अहम जानकारी नष्ट हो गई है।
Immigration request has to be sent from Calcutta. From Calcutta it goes to Delhi. From Delhi to Atari. It's a long road. Our officer has gone, they have seen the register. But seeing the register is not enough. You have to give evidences. In India, nobody will give personal data like this. You have to follow a procedure. So you have to quietly wait for 10th September. That is the statutory period of getting the data. So there is a procedure. It is not like playing childish kind of play. So you have to give full data. Without data, nobody an authenticated, certified copy. And he must have visited many times also. But he has reported to Israel embassy in one of his visits that I have lost my passport. So had that passport would have been available, then story would have been more, it would have been something else. But we lost that critical evidence because these are very smart and brilliant people. He visited once Palestine, and during his journey to Palestine, he reported embassy in Israel that I have lost my passport. Now Sanmari police cannot inquire in Israel whether you have lost or not, and there we lost valuable data.
साथ ही उन्होंने गौरव गोगोई के मामले पर भूपेंद्र बोरा सहित अन्य नेताओं के बयान पर भी कटाक्ष किया। उन्होंने कहा कि वे लोग गौरव गोगोई को बचाने के बजाय एक्सपोज ही कर रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान जाना सही है या नहीं, ये भूपेंद्र बोरा रिपुन बोरा से नहीं बल्कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और राहुल गांधी की ओर से आना चाहिए, और वे इस मामले में खड़गे से मुलाकात भी करेंगे।
कांग्रेस पार्टी इज सेइंग इन 2-3 वॉइसेस। वंस Gaurav Gogoi has not said that I am going to Pakistan. I have gone to Pakistan. That Congress people are exposing him that going to Pakistan is not a crime. So there is a rivalry between two factions. People like Bhupen Bora, Ripun Bora, Debarbrata Saikia, Akhil Gogoi, in the name of defending Gaurav Gogoi, actually exposing Gaurav Gogoi. That yes, he was there. So these are the nobody is defending him. It is just the outcome of Congress internal rivalry. They are exposing more than me. One person has said they have prepared a post that no, he has gone through Atari. Next day he said it is a Photoshop. But you don't have to require photograph. His signature is there when he crossed the Atari border. So we are going to have all these documents in our possession. This is not a play in social media. We will be upfront. And let Rahul Gandhi clarify whether a Indian people visiting to Pakistan and when he happened to be son of a sitting chief minister, without informing even the Congress party, is a crime or not. That Ripun Bora, Bhupen Bora cannot clarify that. We want to know the position of the Congress party. So I am going to meet Mallikarjun Kharge also. I will seek an appointment from him. I will go and I will give him. If he says that no, going to Pakistan is not a crime, fine. Let people of India know that. But we want to hear that from Rahul Gandhi. We want to hear that from Kharge.